Howdy! This is Rocky at Ingage, excited to explore using our price presentation page in Marketplace Pro. You've sold your team as the best people for the job and the products you offer as the best on the market. Next, you have to sell the price. For some jobs and customers, price is best sold via affordability options, like buy now, pay later offers and lower monthly payments. In the following example, our friend and industry expert Kyle Sellers uses Engage's price presentation page to share 3 affordability options with different rates and monthly payments. Let's check it out.
All right, Drew, we've had a lot of fun today, but now comes the really fun part, right?
Yeah.
Your numbers. This is what we're looking for, yes?
Yes.
All right. So what I like to do is, first show you this is your everyday low price, or what I like to refer to as the true market value. This is what your project is valued at, and it's before any additional savings. Before anything has been applied, it doesn't factor in anything that we talked about with your smart choice lending, nothing like that, okay? Mm-hmm. But based on your project today, what we came up with, it is coming in at only $15,000. Okay? But let's talk about that. Let's compare it to the national average. Do you remember earlier when we took a look at the national average for an average project using an average product and an average market? Do you remember where that was coming in at, Drew?
Yes, $17,000.
$17,000, yeah. So when we compare it to everything you're getting, a top quality project, a top quality home improvement experience at these numbers right here. I mean, how do you feel about that? Would you consider this to be a good value?
Yeah, it's great.
But let's talk about the affordability though. Because like I mentioned, there's 2 things I'm good at. One is helping customers like yourself design beautiful projects. Mm-hmm. And then the other one is making them affordable. So when we apply your savings, and one thing that I love about our system is it just makes things super simple for us. It takes your project, we can calculate in what are the best possible savings out there. And when we plug that in with your monthly promotion, it's saving an additional 10% off the project. So it's a really, really good one right now. But there's a few different programs or different ways that our customers will fund projects like this. And really, I like to look at it as 3 options. We have our 2 Easy payment program, which a lot of customers still just prefer to pay cash. Cash, check, credit card, it's 2 easy payments. For your project, you'd be looking at 50% down and then the other 50% upon final completion. So that one's coming in at just $6,750 and $6,750. Or a lot of customers like to use one of our free money programs where it's very similar to the 2 Easy, but instead of using your own money, you get to leverage free money. Mm-hmm. So it would be 6 months of no payments, no interest, and then you get to choose to pay it off on your own terms.
Okay.
Much more commonly though, the vast majority of our clients tend to choose one of our easy monthly programs where it gets you into a nice affordable monthly payment. With that, most people appreciate putting down around 10%. So let's see, your project started at 15. We had that additional savings. So now your down payment would be just $1,350, which brings your new monthly to right around $392 per month. Yeah. So let me ask you, Drew, which one of those 3 program categories works best for you?
The monthly payment option.
One of the monthly ones? Okay. Based on where we're at, that you love the project, we have this on a monthly. Do you feel like it makes sense to get your project started today?
I would feel a little bit more comfortable if we could, maybe lower or reduce the monthly payments.
I can appreciate that. It sounds like that you love the project. It's just coming in a little bit more than you're hoping to invest right now. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. So right now we're at $392. Where do you need that number to be? Are you looking to be under $350, under $300? What is a good range for you?
I would love to be under $300 a month. Okay.
Well, let me show you how we get there. We have a program, Drew, for customers just like you, really. It's when everything about the project lines up. This is the right product. This is the right design. I love you guys as a company. This is who I want to do the project for me. How do I get this at the best possible value? And how do I make it as affordable as possible? Mm-hmm. Is that where we're at today, Drew?
Yes.
Okay. So it's called our scheduling rewards program. And what it does is it allows us, to get your project on the schedule, to get it started, as opposed to doing follow-up and all that stuff. There's a savings there. And we pass that savings right back on to you. So you'd be saving an additional 5% off your project, which now brings your total down to under 13. And it also opens up some additional funding options for me too. So when I kick it over into one of our flexible payment programs with our easy monthly payments now, you'd be looking at just $1,275 down. So your down payment goes down to $1,275. You save some money on the overall project and your new monthly payment is under $300, coming in at just $244 a month. I told you we can make it affordable. Let's get you going, all right?
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, welcome to the family. You're gonna love it.
Thanks.
What a deal. Thanks, Kyle. Engage's price presentation page can be configured to suit your team's needs and sales methodology. Let's take a look at how this example would be configured. In our example, the page is called Investment Guide. I can enter that or any other name in the page name field. The project costs Kyle presents is a total for the project, not itemized by product and labor. So we'll set price inputs as project. The discount strategy here is stacked. When I add a 5% discount to a 10% discount, it becomes a 15% discount. In our example, all discounts are applied at the total project level, so I'll set my max discount here at 20% to make sure that Kyle can keep track of what he's offering our customer. Over the course of the pricing presentation, Kyle reveals 3 discounts: the seasonal promotion, the schedule today incentive, and a cash discount. Let's set those up. Click Discounts at the top of the page. Click Add Discount at the bottom center of the page. Let's start with the monthly promotion and name it in the description. The price presentation page factors this discount against the project total, so we'll set the discount type as project. The discount here is by percentage, so we'll set mode as percentage. This is a discount off the whole project, not broken down by unit installed, so its quantity is flat. The value of this discount is 10%. Kyle uses the seasonal promotion on all 3 offers, so it will be applied globally. When in use, this discount starts disabled, so we'll leave starts enabled off. The rep will need to turn this discount on when applying it, so we'll turn on rep can enable and disable. The discount is set in stone, so we'll leave rep can change name and rep can change value off. To help Kyle keep track of all discounts, I'll turn counts towards rep total on and click Add Discount to complete. The Schedule Today incentive is set up just like the monthly promotion, but with a different value. I'll label it under Description, set its type as Project, its mode as Percentage, and its quantity as flat. The value for this discount is 5%. It applies to all offers, so it'll apply globally. I don't want my rep to make any changes, so we'll leave the rep can change options off. Like on our last discount, let's turn on counts toward rep total. In the featured example, Kyle uses the 3 offer tiles in Engage to explore the same project cost, but with different paths of payment. Click Financing at the top of the page to start configuring payment options. First, we'll set up our financing table display. We want to show our customers the monthly payments they can expect on this project, so we'll turn on Show Monthly Payments. This example hides dealer costs and plan code from the customer, so we'll leave those off. Next, we'll add in the plans we offer. Our example included a handful of payment options, including cash payments, low monthly payments, and free money plans, with no payments or interest for a set period of time. I'll create a category for each type. I'll select Add Category and name the category. You could name this to describe the type of payment offer or the financing company the offer is provided through. With the Engage Price Presentation page, you're in charge. I'm naming my first category Cash or Check, and I'll click Add Category to complete. Next, I'll click Add Options to start adding in my plans. The plan description field will operate as the name of the plan. I'll call this Cash or Check and add details like 50% down and 50% at completion to let the customer know the structure of the plan. Since the customer will be paying 2 payments, I'll select Term and Rate, set the term as 2 months, and the rate at 0, as there's no interest on a cash payment. I'll click Add Option to complete. Next, I'll add an option for my monthly payments plan. I'll call this 36 months. In our example, the price presentation page calculates monthly payments using the number of months and the APR on the loan. This option is paid over 36 months and has a 9.99% rate. Lastly, I'll add an option for my no-no plans. I'll name my plan under Plan Description and I'll add details to clarify what I mean by no. In this case, no interest, no payments for 6 months. In this example, we don't want the price presentation page to calculate a payment amount, so I'll select Custom Value and fill in the custom payment as 0 to indicate that the customer doesn't have set monthly payments with this option. Now that we've added discounts and financing options to Engage's price presentation page, let's build out our offers. Click Offers at the top of the page. First, I'll set up the cash or check program by clicking Edit Offer. I'll title it the Too Easy Payment Program. The offer total label appears next to the total cost of the project, so I'll call this Project Total. The rep can extend all 3 discounts on this offer, so I'll turn them all on. This offer is for the cash or check option, so I'll select Financing Options under Financing Type and only choose cash or check as the available financing option. Since cash or check isn't really a financing option, I'll label the button Payment Options to make this more clear. I'll set cash or check as my sample option 1 and leave sample option 2 blank. This offer will always show, so I'll leave off Rep can show and hide this offer and turn on Show by Default. Next, I'll add in our monthly payment offer. The rep can extend the seasonal promotion and schedule today discounts on this offer, so I'll turn them on. Next, I'll select financing options under Financing Type and choose both of our monthly payment options. I'll make the button title Payment Options to create parity between all offer tiles. I'll set the 60-month as my sample option 1 and leave sample option 2 blank to keep it simple. This offer needs to be turned on by the rep, so I'll turn on Rep can show and hide this offer. Lastly, I'll add in our free money offer. The rep can extend the seasonal promotion and the schedule today discounts on this offer, so I'll turn them on. Next, I'll select financing options under Financing Type and choose both of our no interest, no payment options. I'll make the button title Payment Options, so it's the same as the rest. I'll set the 12 months as sample option 1 and leave sample option 2 blank. This offer needs to be turned on by the rep, so I'll turn on Rep can show and hide this offer. Thanks for joining us. I hope you feel inspired to try out new ways to present price with Engage, whether with this configuration or by exploring all the customization options the price presentation page can offer.